Uh-oh. Are you locked out of your Umbraco account? If you're running an Umbraco site locally or using a test email address, you won't be able to use this forgot password function, which means your only option to reset the password is to update the database directly. Fortunately, though, this is a fairly simple task, so let's go through it. Step 1, open SQL Server Management Studio, find your database and navigate to the table that's called Umbraco User. Right-click on this table and select the top 1000 rows. This will give you a list of users, including the email addresses and IDs. You want to grab the ID of the user that you're trying to update, so the email address you're trying to log in with, because we're going to need that to update the password. Step 2, go to .NET-Fiddle.net in your web browser and run the following code. Change your new password to the new password you want to set. This will create a password hash, which we then want to save into the database for your user. So after you've set your password here and clicked run, you can copy and paste the hash, which is outputted in the console below. Step 3, back in SQL Server Management Studio, let's write an update statement. So here we're going to set our new password, and whilst we're here, we're also going to set the last lockout date to null, and the user node console and the failed login attempts to 0 to ensure we're not logged out of our account here. The ID should be the ID we copied from our select statement earlier, so whichever ID was associated with the user you want to update, enter that in the where clause here, and the user password should be set to the hash which we copied from our .NET Fiddle page. Finally, click execute or press F5, and that's it. You can now log into the Umbraco Backoffice using your new password.